So Bank of Canada did their interest rate announcement today. So they're holding at 2.25. That means we, as consumers, if we're going out there to get a mortgage, we're probably getting a 4% mortgage. Like, probably if that's like an amazing lender that you've found, more than likely you're going to be at, a 4.25 or a 4.5, maybe a 4.75. Just depends on your borrower, who you find. Are you using a mortgage broker, bank? I mean, there's many options. So is anybody else just enjoying the stability that's going on in the market right now? Like, we've basically been here now for 2 years, maybe a little more. And yes, house values have come down significantly, especially in some areas. And that is because of our borrowing power. When we were getting mortgages at like 2%, some people even less, like there were people getting it mortgages like at 1.5 compared to 4.5. It's double. It was double the borrowing power. So you're wondering, like, why did everything almost go to $1 million? And even myself, and most agents were worried about everything going to $1 million, because you were able to get money at 2%. You could afford double what you could afford now. So all of that has gone away, and we have restabilized, and it's been, over 2 years of this. So what I'm liking in the market now is that things have calmed down. So if you're buying something that needs to be renovated, or grandma's house with the pink carpet, that has never been touched, that house is going a lot closer to where it should be going compared to the house down the street that might be fully renovated. And that house is going to be priced, accordingly as well. So people are getting a lot more value in the market that we're in right now. You're able to buy a house if you're willing to put a little bit of work in it and you're not paying a premium for it. It's priced accordingly. If you're going to buy something that's renovated, or you're buying a new home, you are buying sort of like back on track to where the curve was, like, the natural curve of, things appreciating by 2 or 3 or 4%, depending on the market that we were at before the 2020s. So it's good news right now to buy a house. If you're buying a house right